Dogecoin cost pretty equivalent to $0.0709 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.0659 0.0720 in a significant way. The earlier day close, 0.0665. The change was plus 0.0044, plus 6.62%. Backwards rate, USD to Doge, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.061, truly most extreme 0.065, lovely least 0.057 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.061, by and large greatest 0.065, sort of least 0.057, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $0.061, genuinely greatest 0.065, by and large least 0.057 amazingly. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, June 12, cost $0.062, extremely greatest 0.066, least 0.058, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.062, most extreme 0.066, least 0.058. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.061, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.065, beautiful least 0.057 amazingly. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.060, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.064, truly least 0.056, or so they thought. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 16, cost $0.060, for the most part greatest 0.064, kind of least 0.056 in a really significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $0.061, extremely greatest 0.065, least 0.057, or so they explicitly thought. In about 14 days Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.062, especially most extreme 0.066, exceptionally least 0.058, showing how Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.061, especially greatest 0.065, sort of least 0.057, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.062, most certainly greatest 0.066, certainly least 0.058, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.062, kind of greatest 0.066, genuinely least 0.058 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 23, cost $0.060, greatest 0.064, truly least 0.056, which truly shows that Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost $0.060, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.064, lovely least 0.056 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin figure on Monday, June 26, cost $0.060, really greatest 0.064, genuinely least 0.056 amazingly. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.061, greatest 0.065, really least 0.057 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.060, essentially greatest 0.064, lovely least 0.056, which for the most part is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.060, by and large most extreme 0.064, fundamentally least 0.056. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 30, cost $0.060, exceptionally most extreme 0.064, genuinely least 0.056, which certainly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $0.059, greatest 0.063, especially least 0.055, which in every practical sense shows that Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.060, most extreme 0.064, truly least 0.056, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about a month Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.061, truly most extreme $0.065, least $0.057, showing how the earlier day close, $0.0665 in a by and large significant way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.062, truly greatest $0.066, truly least $0.058, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.062, kind of greatest $0.066, truly least $0.058, which for the most part is genuinely critical. USD to Doge swapping scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 14.1064 coins per $1, which really is genuinely critical. Today, S reach 138966151699 in a sort of enormous way. The past day, S nearby 15.0399 in a genuinely enormous way. Change for now 0.9335, 6.21% in an all things considered, significant way. USD to Doge cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which truly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost 16.393 coins, really greatest 17.544, extremely least 15.385 incredibly. USD to Doge forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 16.393 coins, genuinely greatest 17.544, by and large least 15.385 in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 16.393 coins, fundamentally most extreme 17.544, sort of least 15.385. USD to Doge expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 16.129 coins, really greatest 17.241, sort of least 15.152, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost 16.129 coins, fundamentally most extreme 17.241, essentially least 15.152, which is genuinely huge. USD to Doge forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 16.393 coins, truly greatest 17.544, kind of least 15.385 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost 16.667 coins, kind of greatest 17.857, least 15.625, or so they most certainly thought. USD to Doge forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 16.667 coins, really most extreme 17.857, truly least 15.625. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Monday, June 19, cost 16.393 coins, certainly most extreme 17.544, by and large least 15.385. Genuinely further appearance how Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday.